Tartaria, that's the Tartars. That was the steppes of Russia. The Tartars and as they were called, marauding hordes that came across there actually came as far as the eastern parts of Siberia. And they had already traveled all the way from Ireland all the way to eastern Siberia, and they were coming back. And so literally when you say Tartaria, you're practically saying Khazarian. And when you're saying Khazarian, you're saying Scythian. And that would be also interpreted by where you said Scythian. If you said Scythian or Scythian, and you said in between the Black Sea and the Aral Sea, then you're talking about the Turks mixed with the Turanians, mixed with Tartars, mixed with Mongolians. And so you have all these different races all mixing there, and they kept pushing to the west. And this history is so confused that people don't understand the true nature even of the Hebrew race. And what we call Jews today is filled with people who are not of Hebrew blood, and 90% of them. And you say, well, how is that possible? Well, it's just simply history, and it's the migrations. But these migrations are so little understood because you're talking about cultures that were semi-nomadic, nomadic. They were basically, they didn't write anything down. And so where's their history? It's an oral history. And when you look at these oral histories, they seem like mythologies that couldn't have possibly happened. But if you look closely, they are actually literal. And they were the gift of one great master being named Scythianus, who was able to affect these cultures over a long period of time through multiple incarnations, according to Rudolf Steiner and others. I've done the research on it, and I'm quite convinced all you have to do is trace the origin of horses and the origin of cannabis and hemp, and you will find the origin culture for what they're calling Tartaria now, or I would call basically the migrations of the Turanians.